Next, we have objective complement. Now see, when a complement describes the object of a verb, it is known as objective complement of the verb. Transitive verbs of incomplete predication take objective complement. Take objective complements. Verbs such as make, call, find, and think. These are common examples of transitive verb which usually require a complement. Let's look at few examples to identify objective complement. The boxer knocked his opponent senseless. To find the object of the verb knocked, we ask the question, the boxer knocked whom? We get the answer as opponent. Opponent is the object of the verb knocked. Clear? Hence, knocked is transitive verb. The word senseless describes the object, helps the verb knocked to complete what it says about the object. The verb knocked is transitive verb of incomplete predication. It is transitive verb of incomplete predication. So the word senseless is objective complement of the verb knocked. Same way, we can see another example. The mother found the baby fast asleep. To find the object of the verb found, we ask the question, the mother found whom or what? We get the answer baby. Baby is the object of verb found. Hence, found is the transitive verb. The words fast asleep describes the object and helps the verb found to complete what it says about the object. The verb found is the transitive verb of incomplete predication. The words fast asleep is objective complement of the verb found. Now you have to remember few things. Do not confuse a transitive verb of incomplete predication and a transitive verb with two objects. The objective complement describes the object of the transitive verb. It can't be separated from the verb. On the other hand, direct object and indirect object of a transitive verb, it refers to two separate things. Or person. They do not describe each other. So that's it. We have one exercise given at the end of the chapter. We'll do this exercise in book itself. We have an exercise given at the end of the chapter. Say which of the verbs in the following sentences are transitive, which reflexive and which intransitive. Point out the objects of the transitive and reflexive verbs and the complements of the verbs of incomplete predication. Remember that a transitive verb may have direct and indirect object. So in this exercise, we'll only find out whether the sentence is transitive or intransitive. We'll just mark out verb and object if there is any. The weather was dry and cool. So this sentence is intransitive. Verb is was. Underline was and write intransitive verb. Underline was and write intransitive verb. We have already done this exercise in our Zoom classes. The people made Brutus a consul of Rome. Made is verb and Brutus is object. The people made whom? Brutus. So Brutus is object, so it is transitive verb. At the end of the day, the workers were tired. Verb, it is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. Mother gave me a storybook on my birthday. Mother gave whom? Me. So it's an indirect object. Mother gave what? A storybook. So it is direct object. So the sentence has direct and indirect object. It is transitive verb. We found him sitting under a tree. Found is transitive verb. Him is object. The sentence is transitive verb. Regular exercise will help you to keep fit. Will help, verb. You is object, then the sentence is transitive verb. The little boy wants to become a pilot. Wants, verb. To become a pilot, object. And the sentence is transitive verb. The newspaper reported the accident the next day. Reported, verb. Accident, object. And the sentence is transitive verb. I have written short form here. In exam, you will write full. Transitive verb, intransitive verb, direct object, indirect object. The victory made the emperor very proud. Made, transitive verb, emperor, object. Indians regard Gandhi as the father of their nation. Gandhi is object, regard, transitive verb. The long walk exhausted him. Exhausted, verb, him, object, it is transitive verb. The doctor gave him some medicine for his headache. Gave, verb, him, indirect object, medicine, direct object. And the sentence is transitive verb. Then the same way we'll do other sentences. I have explained this. So that's all. Thank you.